Well, good morning everybody. It's day 2 and today we're going to attack the Starcke track. It's going to be a fairly hot, sandy, sort of challenging day. Probably going to be the biggest day out of the whole 5 days, especially for me. Yesterday, awesome. Creb track. It was slippery, it was horrendous, but it was a hell of a lot of fun. We, some stage we couldn't even stand up ourselves to pick bikes up. It was that slippery. But we made it, we got through, we got up Big Red and all the other hills, through all the creek crossings, had an absolute ball. So we're just having breakfast now and then we're going to head off and head up the highway a bit for a while and then turn off and then into Starcke for the day, so stay tuned. Well, we're on our way, we've left camp on day 2 and we've just come into Cooktown. We're going to go up the top of the lookout, up where the lighthouse is, take a few photos. Got a bit of phone reception here, which is going to be our last reception for a day or so. So we'll make a few calls back home, say hi, and then head into Starcke. Head up the highway a bit more, bit of dirt road, and then about 140 k's all up, I think, before we get to Starcke, and then the fun begins.
There, and then that links back up with the road section of the telegraph.
So the telly's actually from what, here to here?
Yep, yeah, right up to here to the Jardine, basically. Yep. And then the old crossing used to actually cross the Jardine before the ferry cross.
Well, it's about lunchtime and we just transit a fair bit away, dirt, some tracks, to the start of Starcke, which is where we are now. We're just going to have a bit of lunch and then start chasing a bit of sand, and I'll show you through Starcke, so catch you a bit later on. Rightio, we are on our way to Starcke. We've just had a short break as we've just entered the track. Now the fun begins. The temperature's definitely getting warmer. This is the hottest part of the day and it's the most challenging part of the ride, they say. It's quite remote, it gets quite hot, quite dusty, but a fair bit of sand, but it's still very diverse in the riding. I love it. Bull there, angry bull. Time for the sand.
be talking much because I've got to concentrate, so just come along for the ride. Rightio, we just had a bit of a break, cooled down, we're getting quite hot. Back into it. That's it, we're in gear. We've done 17 kilometres of about 50 of this stuff. So after 50 kilometres I'll be happy not to do another 50. I like it, but sand's not my thing, I'm not good at it. It's alright in cold weather. At least it's overcast and a little bit cooler now. The breeze has come up, which is nice. That's certainly helping me, but I do struggle in the heat. I'm used to the cold.
Twisted my ankle.
Oh shit, have you? Hang on. I'll try and pick this fucking thing up, hang on. Hang on, I just put it up against a tree, mate. Oh, you got it?
Yeah. I was thinking this is going well.
It was, they cut you out, don't they? Just. Yeah, we just had a big rest. I just had a big off. Didn't have my camera on. I had the handlebar camera on, so you'll see it on that. But yeah, hit the ground pretty hard. Lost a bit of bark, but anyway, you get that. Jeez, I can't see shit here. Don't know what's in front of me. Trying to slow down, get out of the dust so I can see. Well, we're about halfway through Starcke, and it's not too bad. The weather hasn't been as hot as I thought it was going to be, thank Christ, because I've been struggling. That's all part of it, and it's all part of the fun. You're going to fall off, that's a no-brainer. It's just a matter of whether you can, you don't hurt yourself. So far, so good. Anyway, tomorrow, day 3, is a bit of an easier day. It's mainly gravel road, so gives us all a chance to heal our broken bits, bent bits, bruised bits. I think all of us have got a bit of bark missing now. Shit, I can't see fucking anything here. I'm going to have to stop. Rightio, we're on the way back. We're about 17 k's to go before we finish the Starcke track. We've had a decent rest, which is feel a lot better. Bit of a drink and a rest. Not too much more sand shit to go, which is good. I'm not sure how much battery power I've got left. It's still working, but I hope you've enjoyed today's little run through here. And easy run tomorrow. We've got mainly dirt road tomorrow, just fast gravel road, so for day 3. So that'll give the bodies a rest, but yeah, we'll still do some filming and show you around. We're just coming into Cow Power Station camp for the night. A little bit of a river crossing to do here, and that's the end of day 2. It was a good day. It's bloody challenging, but I enjoyed it. It was great. So across the water here, across this weir, full of crocodiles in here, so you don't go off the edge, that's for sure. Oh, that water's nice. That's the end of another good day.